Hey guys, I'm Alex, and welcome back to the Fuse channel. We see tons of flaks come through our lab for new lenses, and one of our most asked Oakley questions is about the differences between the Flak Jacket, the Flak 2.0 XL, and the Flak Jacket XLJ. Let's get right to it. First, let's talk lenses, the soul of any good pair of shades. You can see the classic Flak Jacket lenses are quite a bit smaller vertically than the others. These lenses are only 36 millimeters tall and around 63 millimeters wide, which is pretty standard sizing as far as lenses go. The Flak Jacket XLJ lens is basically the classic Flak sibling, with a slightly rounded edge and a concave cut that hugs the cheek a lot more. There's practically no difference in measurements. The lens height does go up slightly on these shades at 37 millimeters on the XLJs. And finally, the biggest for last, the 2.0 XL rocks vertically extended concave lenses that are more squared at the bottom. This lens helps more effectively block out light from all angles. Since they are the XLs, the lens height does jump 2 whole millimeters from the original to 38. However, the width of the lens is actually a little less than the others, coming in at 59 millimeters. This lens does have a more extended concave cut that will sit a little closer to your cheekbones. If you're like me and have a smaller framed face, these will sit a little closer, but they block out more light than their counterparts. Now, moving on to the frames. The classic Flak Jacket keeps it sleek with slim, semi-rimless frames that feel like nothing on the face. In fact, they are the featherweight champions here, coming in at 24 grams, which is a whopping 8 grams lighter than the 2.0 XL. The bridge width on these sits at 14 millimeters. The temple length is 135, making the total frame width at 144, which makes it a great option for those that need a wider frame fit. Tip: when you're buying shades online, always make sure to measure your face or your favorite current shades to make sure the measurements match the fit you need. Now, the Flak Jacket XLJ has all the same frame measurements as the classic Flak. In fact, the lenses are actually interchangeable between the two. Let me show you. I'm gonna put the Flak lenses in our XLJ and the XLJ lenses in our Flak, just to show you that they actually are interchangeable. Alrighty, we have the Flak lenses in the XLJ, and now we're gonna put the Flaks in the XLJ frame. Alright, and there you have it. You can completely swap out the Flak and the Flak XLJ depending on the fitment of the lenses you're looking for. That means if you do have a Flak Jacket or XLJ frame with no lenses, you'll have to look at the model number to tell the difference. Classic Flak Jacket SKUs are all over the place, but look like these. Flak XLJ has a similar structure. These are some of the XLJ model numbers. If you need help finding out which model you have, reach out to the Fuse team at support.fuselenses.com and we'll help you out. And finally, the Flak 2.0 XL. Despite its XL name, it actually is smaller than the other options. The bridge width comes in at 12 millimeters and the temple length at 133. Even the frame width is 18 whole millimeters smaller, coming in at 126, which is very significant. So if you're part of our big head crowd eyeing the Flak 2.0 XL, know that XL means extended lenses, not bigger frames. Even though the frame looks a little bit thicker than the others, you're not gonna like the fit. If you do need help finding the right fit for you, check out this video on the best shades for big heads. Comfort is key, right? So let's talk about how these shades are going to fit. The 2.0 XL is a comfortable, sporty fit that sits above the cheekbone and typically doesn't touch your face, but it provides full eye coverage. These shades are absolutely perfect for those who might have a bigger eye area and can't seem to find a pair of shades to cover them. It's the perfect option if you already love Flaks, but need more coverage. The classic Flak Jacket and the XLJ though, same fit actually. That's why Oakley's Flak series is definitely one of its most popular lines. Do note that the 2.0 XL's larger lenses do take up more face real estate than the others, of course, but I suggest the 2.0 XL for those with higher cheekbones, like me. If that sounds like you, you should also check out this video with our picks for our best Asian fit shades, made for those with higher cheekbones and lower nose bridges. Finally, it's time to dive into the finances. What will these cost you? Both the Flak Jacket and XLJ are $184, with some limited color options. About 6 colorways are available between the two. But if you're watching our video close to when we post, the classic Flaks are actually on sale for $128, making them a sweet deal for Oakley. If you don't want to miss future deal alerts, subscribe and hit that bell to get notified when we post. Lastly, the 2.0 XL. This starts at $194 on Oakley's site, but it's just a little more expensive. Plus, it's got more color options of the 3, a total of around 20 different colorways to match your every mood. And that's not even counting the spin-offs and collaborations that the 2.0 XL has. Although, keep in mind, those will cost you closer to $244. Who's the ultimate Flak champion? Our choice at Fuse has got to be the 2.0 XL. Numbers don't lie. This frame is by far the most popular out of the 3. We see tons of these in our lab daily. With a more universal fit and full coverage lens, it's a great frame. Plus, you can't beat the color options of the 2.0 XL. Oakley has every color under the sun available. However, if you do have a wider face, we suggest taking it back to the classic Flak for its wider, sleeker, and lightweight fit. Also, being on sale at Oakley.com right now makes them the best deal of the 3, if you can catch it. But what if you want the color options that the 2.0 XL has? Well, Fuse Lenses has your back. We offer over 20 different replacement lens options that are made to fit in any of these, starting at $25. We have polarized, mirrored, and even our amp color enhancing lenses available. Visit fuselenses.com/YouTube and use code FUSEYT for $5 off your first order. And there you have it, your cheat sheet on Oakley Flak Jacket, Flak Jacket XLJ, and the Flak 2.0 XL. If you have questions, drop a comment below. And if you like this video, let us know by hitting that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time.